Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. While you're here, make sure you go ahead over and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video, and we're going to talk about designing your journal for your stationery business. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. I will be using Canva and I'll be using Amazon KDP to publish my journal. I will be using KDP to print my book, and I'll be using the cover creation tool. It's like a calculator to go ahead and get my dimensions. I'm going to do a 5.5 by 8.5. I went ahead and downloaded the cover calculator. For some reason, I've had it downloaded before, but I always end up deleting it or moving it off of my desktop, but this is what it looks like. I am going to do black ink and cream paper. You can come over here to your trim size, and I'm just going to choose 5.5 by 8 by 5. And I'm going to do 120 pages. It's always my like little sweet spot. I'm going to do cover. Here's the cover because I already have my manuscript. And what it does is do the full cover width. So we're going to take that 11 by 5.5 cover width, and we're going to put that into Canva. Here, we're going to go ahead and create our design, and we're going to go to custom dimensions. And when it asks for the width, it is in inches, so you need to change that. We need 11.55. Let's go back to the cover calculator and see what the height is. Probably like 8.75. Yes, the cover height is 8.75 for our full cover. And we're just going to create a journal for our stationery business. This should be super simple, fast, and quick because I'm probably just going to, let's see, do I have the white one down? I have the white one downloaded. I'm just going to do a black cover. Super simple. Going to go ahead and use my line to find the middle of my journal. Okay, so find the middle. There we go. I'm going to go to my uploads. And there's a small business owner wording. Going to make that a little bit smaller. And there you have it. Going to make this disappear. And I'm going to put small business owner journal. And like I said, I'm going to be using KDP. So I'll go through that as far as uploading it. I do need to download this as a PDF print. And then I'll go through the motions of uploading it to KDP. Even though y'all probably see me do it a million times, it's cool. Everything's fine. Here is the cover for our small business owner journal. And that is it so far. It's super easy tutorial on that one. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.